What is up everyone, I hope you're all doing well. In this video, we're going to be breaking down and reviewing Jibble. So Jibble has got a bunch of ways to track time. Phone apps, the website, and even a kiosk. They're really big on making sure the time is right. So they use things like GPS and face scans. So you can get reports that show you where everyone's time is going, and you can also track projects too. So plus, they also have a free version, which is nice. Now what if we compare it to some other platforms? So what about Jibble versus Time Doctor? So Time Doctor is for companies that really want to watch what people are doing on their computers, while Jibble is more about simple time tracking and they have a free plan. Then what about Jibble versus Clockify or TogoTrack? So Clockify and TogoTrack are free and easy to use. But Jibble has a free plan too, and it also has extra stuff like face scans and GPS. So when you think about it, the best time tracker really depends on what you need. If you need to watch every website someone goes to, then Time Doctor might be better. But if you want something super simple and free, Clockify or Togo are great, but Jibble on the other hand is really good all around. So I hope this review was insightful, and if it was, then let us know what you think in the comments, and of course leave a like and subscribe, then we'll see you in the next one.